Hi, Jason with Jcknifeworks. I'm going to take just a quick minute and give you guys a updated shop tour. We've added quite a few pieces of equipment over the last couple months, and our website video that has our original shop tour on it is pretty much no longer valid due to that. So, start with the main machine. This is the King 960272 variable speed belt grinder. This is the first grinder that we bought. It's about a little over a year old now, and it's been excellent to use. It's got a variable speed drive, forward, reverse, all the attachments, small wheel, platen. That's the 8-inch wheel on there now, set up for slack belt for contouring handles. This is our selection of belts here. We have quite a few in different grits. These are some finishing grade belts over here. Micron finishing grits. That's our 1.5 horse Balder industrial buffer with the VFD to control forward, reverse, and the speed. Comes in quite handy. And this is our Dayton 12-inch metal or wood bandsaw. It's got 2 speeds on it. We use this thing quite a bit, from cutting out rough shapes of knives before we finish it on a grinder, cutting handle material, mosaic pins, a lot of uses. Really nice saw. Been using a bimetal blade on it. Had pretty good luck with that, but we're going to switch to a diamond coated abrasive blade, carbide actually, and see what kind of life we get out of that. Next is our new KMG grinder. We just did a small series on the whole setup of that. Looking forward to getting on that pretty soon. This is an older Cummins 14-speed drill press. We're rehabbing that right now. We're going to get a new table for it and a new chuck. It's a little bit out of center. It's got a little wobble to it. It's our cabinet where we keep a lot of supplies in there. That's our shop mascot. And this is our little table where we keep our surface plate, arbor press, and small drill press that we do a lot of our hole drilling with. Over here is our little bank of parts, everything from pre-cut knife blanks to different handle materials and pins and little things like that. This is our oxyacetylene torch setup that we use for differential edge hardening. Comes in handy on some of the steels. On the floor there is our 2 aluminum plates that we do plate quenching with, and behind that is our vat of acid for acid etching Damascus blades. This is our Paragon oven that we use for 90% of the heat treating. It's got a nitrogen tank add-on for displacing oxygen in the chamber, and it also has a data link running to a computer over here where we can track and record the whole heat treat process so we know that it's done right. That is our cryogenic tank, and that's where the knife blanks go during the tempering process to make them much harder. This is our quench tank here. This has got a quenching oil in it. It's sitting on a electric hot plate to warm the oil if we need to. And it's Kurt's toolbox. It's our 12-inch disc grinder. We do a lot of pre-shaping knife blanks and handle materials on that. It's got a lot of good uses, and some of the Burr King parts stored underneath it right now. And this is our work table. This is where we put together all of the knives and lay everything out and get it set up on. I have a vise mounted on my side, and there's another vise mounted over there on Kurt's side. He's got a knife making vise mounted in his that has soft jaws that clamp on the blade. We got a couple drawers here. They're in disarray right now, but they have parts in them for the different machines. That's the small wheel setup. That's the flat platen. Those are both for the Burr King. Well, here's a knife that Kurt's just finishing. This is a CPM 154 kitchen large paring knife with California Buckeye handle scales on it and a cinnamon liner. It's a really nice looking knife. The contouring in the handle, it fits really nice. It's got some nice mosaic pins in it. 1/4 inch in the middle, 1/8 inch on the front